I'm literally wearing the same shirt as previous video, but it's freaking hot in here in Los Angeles and I'm struggling, but my Hoyas are thriving. My Hoyas are loving the heat and the humidity, although I'm dying. But anyways, in this video, I'll talk about Hoya Benguetensis, or getting to know Hoya Benguetensis, so keep on watching. Because I was in my garden a few minutes ago. Actually, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I was in my garden showing a lot of my Hoyas with have peduncles, because Hoyas thrive with humidity and the heat that is happening right now in California. It's crazy. Which brought me to making this video, and I'm gonna be featuring Hoyas in my collection, and I'm gonna be not giving you guys like a proper how to care for them, because I really haven't had the Hoya for a very long time for me to make a how to care for a Hoya. I feel kind of guilty, and I don't like making a Hoya care video of a Hoya that I've had for less than a year, because I don't feel comfortable telling you guys how to care for a Hoya that I've had for less than a year. I just don't find it helpful. But I want to introduce you guys or feature some Hoyas in my collection that I feel that are extravagant, which brings me to Hoya Benguetensis. I've had this Hoya for about 4 months maybe, maybe less. I made a video, a Hoya unboxing from Hoyaplants.com, and guys, this is the Hoya. Now, just watching it, look at the size of the leaves. Wait a second, look at that. Look at this new leaves. Look at this leaves compared to the rest of the. Let me scoot back a little bit. Compared to the other leaves, look at these leaves. This is a Hoya that requires humidity and requires heat in order for it to grow this mass. I mean, honestly, these leaves are just, look at this. And the Hoya arrived like this, like the leaves were like this. Put it in my greenhouse, lots of humidity, it's burning hot, and it's very, very warm and humid in the greenhouse that I have them in. And look at the size of the leaves. So let me show you guys a close-up. Maybe you order this plant online, maybe you want to see how it looks or whatever. I'll give you guys a closer look, so let's go ahead and look at that. So guys, this Hoya, it's Benguetensis. It grows very slow if you don't give it lots of humidity, but it does require lots of humidity and warmth in order for it to thrive. And the leaves of this Hoya can get massive if given the right temperature and conditions. This Hoya has amazing foliage, very dark green foliage. The new leaves come out light green, but with more, as they mature, they start getting like a darker green. And they're also very veiny. They have very nice veins in them, and the pattern of the leaves is very remarked. And it just has like a bumpy feel to them when you touch it. It's very thick, and they also grow kind of funky and whirly, not just like a very straight line. They grow a little bit wavy, not all the time, but they do. It's amazing. This Hoya, it's one of my favorites because it's a rare Hoya to have, and it's very easy to grow in the right conditions. Now, I had this Hoya in, I got this Hoya, I believe, in winter, which I think I've only had it for 3-4 months. I got it in winter, and it really wasn't doing much. It didn't die, and it also arrived with the peduncle, which the peduncle is right here. I'll do a close so you guys can see the peduncle. It arrived with this little peduncle right here, and it really wasn't doing much. It's just there. It hasn't fallen off, but I feel like it might fall off. I placed it inside my room with a grow light, and it didn't die. It survived. It just didn't grow. Now that it's hot as hell, I put it outside in my garden, inside a greenhouse that I purchased from Amazon. So I have a video of my greenhouse from Amazon's where I put most of my Hoyas. And so I put it in there, not even a month in, and like I said, the leaves of this Hoya are just insane. Like, I'm just like baffled with words. So yeah guys, this video was not really how to care for this plant. It was just me featuring the plant that I have and the few tips and tips that I've acquired with this plant. It's doing amazing. I can say that it won't die if you in winter, because it didn't die on me. However, I don't live in a country or I don't live in a state better where it snows or where it gets really cold. The temperatures here drop to like 40s, and that's it. It doesn't go any lower than that, even during the coldest month. And the hottest weather here in California or in Los Angeles is like about 105 at the most. And yeah, but if you guys are getting this Hoya, let me know in the comments below. I want to know where you order it from, what price you paid for it, if you want to tell me what price you paid for it, And I want to follow more people on Instagram that have plants, Hoyas to be particular. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it wasn't a how to care for this Hoya because I haven't had it for a long time. Although I've had it for a while that I could tell you guys some tips and tricks. But yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Kapung arigato. Bye bye. Don't forget to drink water and water your plants.